How to set time limits on TikTok. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set time limits on TikTok so you can manage your screen time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open the TikTok app and log in if you're not already signed in. Now that we're in, let's move to the next step. Simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to your TikTok profile. Now let's access the settings. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open your settings. And go to my settings and privacy. Now we need to go to the screen time management settings. Simply scroll down and here you can find an option that says screen time. Tap on it. This is where you can set your time limits on TikTok. Simply toggle on time limit. Tap on it. Simply click on set daily time. You can choose whether to set the same limit every day or you can set a custom limit per day. Now let's choose set the same time. Now here you can choose 1 hour or set a time that works best for you. Once you've selected your time limit, it will remind you when you've reached your daily limit on TikTok. Simply click on next and that's it. You have simply set a time limit on TikTok. It's a great way to make sure you're not spending too much time on the app.